Go ahead.
Start looking for eggs.
What's egg? That one egg?
Sure is.
I think so.
That's egg?
That's the egg.
A sunblock?
Okay, we'll do your sunblock. Oh.
A sunblock.
Okay, we'll do it in a minute. It's not that sunny. You're okay.
I found another one.
Look at Mommy and smile.
See? Oh, I found another one.
There's a lot of eggs out here, huh?
I found another one. I found another one.
Look up. At me. Look at me. And smile.
Huh?
Huh?
Really big.
Show me what you have. Show me what you have.
Eggs.
She's no dummy.
Look. I found another one.
Yeah, see? She's a smart one. Look at it. Took her only a couple
Where?
minutes to realize I don't want to carry that around.
Ah, there's another one. It's hanging in the garden. Silly.
Hey, Testy.
Oh,
Mommy's trying to dodge the camera. Look, I'm paparazzi.
I was trying to get out of your way.
I found another eater.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Should I get that on camera?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna need to pause and
Another